A rail journey of 150 miles costs £42. At the same rate per mile, what would be the cost of travelling 250 miles? So we know that 150 miles is equivalent to a cost of £42, and we can express that as a ratio. Finding 1 mile is then easy. We divide both sides of the ratio by 150. So 1 mile is equivalent to £42 divided by 150. For 250 miles we now multiply both sides by 250. So 250 miles is equivalent to 42 divided by 150, then multiplied by 250. So if we now calculate this, we find that our 250-mile journey is equivalent to £70 exactly. We now want to know how far at the same rate we could travel for £106. We know that 150 miles is equivalent to a cost of £42. We can change this into £1 by dividing both sides by 42. So 150 divided by 42 miles would cost £1. We want £106, so multiply both sides by 106. 106 times 150 over 42 miles is going to be equivalent to a cost of £106. Calculating this gives us 378.57 and so on miles for £106. If we give the answer to the nearest mile, this is 379 miles.